Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on pivot tables. In this video, I will show you how to apply sorting in pivot tables. So there are two ways of applying sorting. So I will show you the long and short methods. So let's get started with the video. So to apply sorting, I need to add one more column here. So let me add one more column. So to add a column, as I said in the previous video, just we need to select the field which we want to add, and then drag it to the uh, fields section here, right? So now you can see we added one more column here. Now let us apply sorting to this pivot table. So here you can see there is a drop down icon here, right? So if I click on that, here you can see the sorting options, right? So let me apply sorting option to from A to Z. So you can see the sorting has been applied from A to Z. So whatever the genres we have in the alphabet order from A to Z. But what if I want to apply the sorting to the number based fields? So currently we applied the sorting to the text based fields, right? But what if I want to apply the sorting to number based fields? So to do that, so if you see there is no sorting icon here, right? We only have sorting icon to this column. We don't have sorting icon to this two columns. So what to do now? So first I will show you the long method. So what you can do is once again you can go to the can click on the icon and click on more sort options. So if you click on more sort options, you can sort the values as per your requirement. So now I want to sort the gross revenues from descending to ascending order, right? So from large to small, right? So what we need to do, we need to select the descending option, and before clicking on OK, you need to select the sum of gross revenue column, right? So now we can click on OK, and now you can see uh, the sorting has been applied based on my selection, right? So all my revenues are from descending to ascending order, right? In the same way, now if I want to apply sorting to my budget, my sum of budget. So again, I will click on the sorting icon, and I will click on more sort options, and this time I will select the sum of budgets, and I will click on OK, and now you can see the sorting has been applied. So let us apply the ascending sorting here. So I will click on ascending, and I will click on sum of budgets, and I will click on OK. Now you can see the sorting has been applied from ascending to descending, right? So this is how you can apply the sorting. So this is very long method of applying the sorting options. Now the simple method is, so select the pivot table and right click, and here you will find the sort option. So from here you can apply the sorting either large to small or small to largest. So let us apply largest to smallest, and now you can see the sorting has been applied. So this is the easy and the quick method to apply sorting. Just you need to right click on it and select the sorting options which you want. So from here also you can select the more sort options option, right? So that these are the two methods which you can use to apply the sorting to a pivot table. So I hope you understood the process of applying the sorting. If you have any questions, please put it down in the comment section. I will answer them. Thank you.